Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video, we are hooking up a stunning blankets designs ideas, crochet ladies blankets designs ideas to add some handmade charm to your home. Get cozy with us as we crochet a beautiful blanket to keep you warm. Hope so you like this video in different collections, so please watch this video till end and tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. In this video we'll be making a beautiful and themed crochet ladies blankets designs ideas. We'll be crocheting a classy blankets designs perfect for any room. Learn how to make beautiful and amazing style crochet granny square blanket designs ideas. Let's get started. First, let's start with the foundation chain. Next, we will add some pattern and texture. We'll be using a multiple of number and stitches. Now let's add a borders. We'll be using a single crochet stitches and double crochet stitches to create a classy edge. Our timeless crochet classic blankets designs ideas. Use a stitch maker to keep track of your place in the pattern. Experiment with different yarn color and width to create a unique and personalized blanket designs. Add embellishments like button, applique work, flowers, beads, pearls, stones, and many other accessories you use and decor your blanket easily. And that's it, your beautiful and lovely look crochet blanket is complete, ready to wear, ready to use, ready to gift for your lovely ones, for your baby birthday parties and many other events. If you want to see more ideas about crochet work, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Thanks for stitching along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe for more crochet ideas, tutorial and ideas full DIY tutorial. If you want more information, so please subscribe my YouTube channel. Do not forget to subscribe for more crochet ideas, tutorial and videos. Keep your cozy and creativity. Please be sure your finished crochet work blankets with us on different social media accounts using hashtag. Check out our next more videos about crochet work and knitting work. See you in the next video. Hope you like this video in different collection. Okay, viewers, take care. Thanks for watching.